Okay, Carter, the flying puppy. John, the flying kitty cat.
Turn the other way, sweetie.
Whoa.
Carter, the flying turtle.
Oh, Daddy.
Dylan, the flying monkey.
You Carter to find polar bear.
Okay. Carter, the flying polar bear. Dylan, the flying iguana.
Now, my turn.
Carter,
I do chimpanzee.
the flying chimpanzee.
No, I mean me, the chimpanzee.
Oh, you. Okay. Dylan, the flying chimpanzee.
Now, my turn. Yeah.
Carter, the flying something.
How do you do Carter for something?
I couldn't think of anything. Dylan,
Flying
the
ball.
flying ball.
Now, my turn.
Carter's turn.